What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Coin Rocket YouTube channel, where we are now boarding for one-way trips to the moon. So if you'd like to join us, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you there. So today we're going over how to sign up for Binance, how to use it, how to deposit, withdraw, trade, register, all that stuff. That's coming right up. So let's get into it. We're going to break this down into 4 easy steps: register, deposit, trade, and then withdraw. First up, you have register. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. There's a link down there where you can register. It'll take you either to the home page or the registration page. So once you click that link in the description, go ahead and hit register. If it doesn't bring you directly to the registration page, enter your email, your desired password, enter it again. You can read through the terms of use, of course. Make sure to do that if you want, and then agree to them. And this referral ID right here, that's my referral ID, so if you can use that, it really helps out the channel. Anyway, you can hit register, and then you just log right into your account. Okay, you'll probably have to confirm your email once you do that, and then you can make your first deposit. So go to balances, okay, and then hit whichever currency you want to deposit, say Bitcoin. Hit deposit, here's your address. Okay, and then you go on to whichever wallet you have your funds on, and you'll deposit it right to this you'll send it right to this address. And then it's pretty quick. Usually deposits only take a few minutes. It says that your coins will be available immediately after 2 network confirmations, so that's pretty perfect. Okay, and then once that happens, you can go on to the exchange. You can use the basic or the advanced exchange. I'm just going to show you the basic exchange, so the tutorial is a little simpler for beginners. You can enter in whichever coin you want to buy. So say you want to buy some Cardano, you can type in ADA, which is the symbol for Cardano, and up here are the different pairings. So as you can see, you can buy Cardano with Ethereum or Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to choose Bitcoin, and then right here is where you'll enter either your desired price, or you can just buy at the market price, and then the amount. So the amount, okay, you can choose to buy, say, 50% or 100%, and that's really useful for anyone who wants to purchase in portions of basically what they can afford. So that's really it. That's all you have to do to make a purchase on Binance. It's a really simple, straightforward system. And the last step is withdrawing. So let's go back to our balances. Okay, choose the coin you want to withdraw, say Bitcoin, and there you go. Just enter the address to the wallet you want to withdraw to, and choose the amount. You can click max if you want to just do all of it, and then hit submit, and again it'll withdraw basically instantly. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.